Hello everyone, I'm Hope Florence Mizero. I'm a pharmacist at Reed Medical Center. If you're like me and you cook, I'm sure you've had situations where you cut your fingers in the kitchen and you didn't know what to do because of the whole blood dripping everywhere. Now when that happens, this is what you should do. First of all, you shouldn't panic, because when you panic you don't think clearly. The next thing you do is to try and clean your hands. If it's your hand you've cut, you have to try and clean it with normal running water. You don't need to add soap or anything else. After you are done with that, the next thing is to try and minimize blood loss and help blood clots, that is to stop blood from flowing. So you do that by applying pressure to the wound for some time, at least 10 to 15 minutes should be okay. When you are done with that, in our first aid kits, we provided you with an antibacterial that you can apply, or you can get any other antiseptic to apply to the wound. After you are done with that, you try and get some sterile gauze and you dress the wound. We've provided some plasters that you can apply to small wounds at home, and you can use that to dress the wound. And make sure that you change the wound dressing as often as possible to help with wound healing and prevent infection. We have a fully loaded first aid kit at Reed Medical Center. You can purchase it from us and also get more information on how to handle different emergency situations. Thank you.